Unlock the power of seamless proposals by integrating Hubspot's detailed line items directly into your Pandadoc documents. First, let's ensure your HubSpot deals are set up for success. Navigate to a deal within your HubSpot CRM and access the line items section. This is where you'll add all the specific products or services you're offering, including crucial details like quantity, unit price, and a clear description. When adding a line item, be thorough. Each detail you input here will be what gets pulled into your Pandadoc. Think of these as the building blocks for your professional proposals. Make sure your product catalog in HubSpot is up to date, as this will streamline the entire process. Now, let's move over to Pandadoc Open, or create the document where you want to include these detailed line items, perhaps a proposal or a quote. On the right-hand side of your Pandadoc editor, you'll find the Content Library or Integrations panel. Look for the HubSpot integration. Click on it to connect your HubSpot account if you haven't already. Once connected, you'll have the option to select a specific HubSpot deal. Choose the deal that contains the line items you wish to import. Pandadoc will then present you with those precisely entered HubSpot line items. You can then easily select and drag these line items directly into your Pandadoc document. Watch as each product, its quantity, price, and description appear automatically within your proposal. This eliminates manual data entry and drastically reduces the chance of errors. The result is a professional, accurate, and transparent proposal where all the essential details are clearly laid out for your client. This integration ensures your quoting process is not only efficient, but also builds trust through precision. By mastering this HubSpot and Pandadoc integration, you're elevating your sales documents from simple agreements to powerful tools for closing deals faster. Subscribe for more tips on optimizing your sales workflow.